Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can move towns in Heartopia. So this is the current town I'm in, 229-10-356. I was like 356, 356. Okay, it's the same thing. But anyways, you're going to go to settings and you're going to want to go to the return to login page. So select that and you're just going to wait for that to load. Okay. Once you're done, you can go to the towns and like join your friends here. Or if you want to go to a random town, you can go to all towns and just join either. Or you can start and hopefully you're going to join like another random city, town. But yeah, that's how you can kind of switch between towns if you don't want to be in the same town as your friends. But that is it. You can just go to random town here, as you can see. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.